Quick video looking at how to integrate a form that you create on your Office account and then integrating that through Teams to create a self-marking or an easy-to-mark assignment on Teams. So the first thing you need to do, obviously, is to create a form. So here's one I created earlier. Always wanted to say that. And we'll just load it up quickly. And you can see that I've set this up as a form. And remember, in forms you can use multimedia content. So this one uses a video, which I'm then linking to via Stream. And it's taking a rather long time to load, but it shouldn't. Yeah, lots of things shouldn't happen. So if I just click preview on that, you can see that there are various questions. Thing to note when you are setting up a form to use as a quiz, you've got to choose the option to set it up as a quiz. And in the very first question, you need to make sure that you click points and allocate some points. And then it will set itself up as a quiz. Then you go into your Microsoft account. So I'm going to go here into this particular class. And if you go to your Assignments tab, then you're able to add an assignment. So I just want to quickly show you what the end result looks like, because here's one I created earlier. So, and one student, amazingly, it's before the beginning of term and they've already completed it. And they are stuck in the UK and I think we're keen to get started. So if you, this quiz has been attached here, we'll just see what it looks like from the student viewpoint. So they have a link to that quiz and they just click on that link, and if you see, what you see when you click on it is all the students' names, and then if they have completed the quiz, it was out of 20, the mark automatically appears. So if I go back onto returned, that mark automatically returned. All I had to do was click here on return and click return, and to return it to the student. There's nothing you need to do. Obviously, if the quiz is set up so that you have stuff that you as a teacher need to look at, then you have to open up the form and look at responses. That video is still loading, which is a little bit annoying, but you click on responses here and you can go through the responses. I'm not sure why it says it doesn't have any responses yet, because one student has already had it returned. Anyway, so you set up a form first of all, and then you go into, I'll set it up in another class. So I'll go into this other class. I go into my Assignments tab, and I'm ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to click Get Started and click Create. Now, obviously, your options are assignment, quiz, or from existing. Choose quiz. So then it becomes that any marks in the quiz form automatically transfer into the assignment, which is a very nice feature. So you click on that, and the first thing you have to choose is a form. So you can click New Quiz and create it then and there. I much prefer to create the form first and then just go and choose it over here. So let's say I choose the same one. I go next, and then you get to write in any instructions. You'll notice it's picked up that it's out of 20 points, so you don't have to do that. The link is there already. All you need to do is enter instructions for the student here, set a due date. You can assign it to particular students or to all the students. And I think, no, you can choose here, and you can choose particular students to assign it to if it's differentiated work. And you can post it to a particular channel. So the default is to the general channel, but if you just edit that, you can go and choose other channels to post to. So I'm going to search for the channel, and maybe I want to only post it to middle 5-1s, for example. And then I would post it to that channel. And when you are happy, you can save it and assign it later, or you can just click Assign, and then it assigns the quiz to the students. They then go onto assignments, they click on the link, they fill in the form, and the marks will automatically, the results of the quiz will automatically transfer back into Teams. I have noticed that it's very difficult even if you set the assignment so that students can redo it, that doesn't quite follow through into Teams. I'm going to discard this because I don't want to, but obviously assigning it would then assign it to all the students in the Teams. Great fun, very, very useful. Enjoy.